Hi, friends. I'm Suzanne Lynch of Suzanne Lynch Wellness. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, I'm here today to talk to you about the piece of advice I most often give my clients and myself um, to have a good day tomorrow, start the night before. So, what I hear from people across the board is that, they want to eat healthy or they want to fit in some exercise or they want to get more sleep, but there is just not enough time in the day. So, it's true. We need to plan and organize, and the best way to do that is the night before. Start planning to have a good day the next day. So, what I help my clients with very, very often is how do we eat an earlier, lighter dinner? Um, how do we actually get a time to wind down in the evening so that we're not just like wired at midnight and not able to sleep, right? So, there are steps we need to take to make our rest and our sleep of deeper quality and more nourishing. And then we're going to be able to get up a little bit earlier in the morning to do some things that are going to support your body, support your health, support your mind and your spirit. So there it is, my favorite piece of advice: to have a good day tomorrow, start this evening. I hope that helps and gives you something to think about and reflect on. And if you want more tips to help you with stress, email me at suzanne.lynch@me.com. Thanks so much for listening, and namaste.